Have you ever wondered why we eat tripe in Jamaica? This is my theory, and let me know in the comments section if you agree. Well, we all know about the slave trade. The Africans were taken to the Caribbean and other parts of the world. Recently learned that in Nigeria and in Ghana and other parts of Africa, they eat the tripe. It's just called by a different name. For example, in Nigeria, it is called Shaki, and I can't pronounce the name for it in Ghana. So I'll put the Ghanaian name on the screen for you. Do you agree that the slaves brought the eating of tripe to the Caribbean? No, the beef tripe that's featured here is called the reticulum, aka honeycomb. And look at it, it really does look like a honeycomb, doesn't it? There's a second part to the reticulum that's called pocket tripe. Now there are two other parts to it, the rumen and the omasum. Now we have cut up our beef tripe and we're putting some lime on it. It's always important to wash your meat. Now after it has had its bath in the lime water, we have added now our Lawry salt, pimento, Creole seasoning, and a bit of thyme. Now we're adding the curry powder and some turmeric. We are used to very rich yellow curry in Jamaica. Not so here the curries that we get. So we have to add a little bit of turmeric to give it a big splash of color. Now we have added our natural seasonings, our onion or garlic and our spring onions. Now you're gonna cover it and let it season. Okay, there we've added some country pepper and some black pepper, and we're gonna let it sit and marinate again. It's always easier to pressure cook the shaki, so that's what we're doing there. We're putting it in the pressure cooker. Put a little bit of water on it. You add your broad beans. I already did a video on the broad beans. And you can either stew this down or you can curry it. And we like it curried. So you add some water there, just a little bit above the beans. And you're going to let it cook up. When the beans start to flow to the top, you're going to sink it by adding some more water. And then you are going to put that pressure cooker cover on and you're going to let it pressurize for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that has cooled, you remove the cover and then you're going to let it boil up to the desired consistency of gravy that you like. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.